Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Gaga. Binance Alpha has been running for over a month. It's really like raining free money. I've been actively participating since day one, and so far, I've made over 3,000 in rewards. Honestly, it's better than most office jobs. Let me show you some of the airdrops I've received so far. LA, SDQ, SON, MER, XTR, an XPC, etc. If my results got you interested and you want to start making money like me, make sure to like and follow. I'll walk you through how to get started, how the point system works, how to farm points, and how to minimize losses when doing it. Let's go! To attend Binance Alpha, first you will need a Binance account. If you don't have one yet, feel free to use my link below to sign up. You will get an exclusive 10% fee discount as a bonus. So we open the Binance app. At the top search bar, click it. Search for Alpha. The second one, Alpha Events. Click it. Look, here's my total points, 241. Alpha points come from two things, your account balance plus your daily trading volume. Let's start with balance points. Here's how it works. So if your balance is under $100, you get nothing. If your balance is between $100 to $1,000, you can get 1 point per day, etc. I currently have over $100,000, so I can earn the full 4 points per day for the balance. The second part is trading volume. This is where we can really take actions. So this chart shows how your daily trading volume translates into points. Please note, only the buying sides count. Selling doesn't count into the trading volume. So basically, if you buy $121 of Alpha tokens today, you can earn 7 points for that day. Alpha points are calculated based on your total activity over the last 15 days in a rolling window. So consistency really matters. If you miss for one day, your total points won't look good. So yesterday, I got 4 points from the balance point, and then I added 18 points for the trading volume, which gave me a total of 22 points. Now, let me show you guys how I do it, how to earn higher Alpha points. So step 1, pick an Alpha token. Where is the Alpha token section? Where to trade Alpha? We can either trade through Binance Exchange or through Binance Web3 wallet. Both options work. For this demo, I will go with Exchange. We click Markets, go to the Alpha tab. Those are all the tokens under Alpha. So which one should we choose? My advice, go by trading volume. So here, we click this VOL. In this way, we can pick tokens that have higher volume, which means lower slippage and easier trading. Also, stick with tokens on BSC chain if you can. Why? Because Binance gives double points for Alpha tokens on BSC. You can get the same with less efforts. I've been using ZKJ lately, but it's totally up to you. Step 2. We click this trade button. Make sure the trading mode is instant, not limit. And then we use USDC or USDT or even BNB. Use these stable coins to buy the Alpha tokens. So now I will use USDC. With this amount of USDC, I can buy around 106 ZKJ. Then comes the important part. We have to change the slippage. Do you see here? Priority. Click the little triangle here. The default slippage is usually too high. That means you will lose money on each trade. So we have to change it manually here. Click Custom. Here is the difference between trading in Exchange and trading in Web3 wallet. Trading from Exchange like me right now, the minimum slippage setting is 0.1%. If you go to the Web3 wallet, you can set it lower, even to 0.01%. So here, I will stick with 0.1%. For the network fee, we can either choose fast mode or normal mode. Just go with normal. Confirm. If you are satisfied with all this setting, click Place Order. Second, confirm. Done. In this way, we successfully use USDC to buy the ZKJ. So here, we click this transfer button. Immediately change ZKJ back to USDC. Click Max. Also, remember to change the slippage, custom 0.1%, normal, confirm. Place order, second confirm, done. So this is one full round finish. And then repeat this process several times to build up your trading volume and to earn more alpha points. However, each trade does come with a bit of slippage and fee loss. So it's important to track a balance between how much you want the points and how much you want to pay. So once your alpha points are high enough, you're qualified for alpha airdrops. These are all the alpha airdrop tokens I've got. So many. And alpha points can also be used to attend the TGE. The entrance for TGE is in Binance Web3 wallet. So many TGE. And keep in mind, each airdrop or TGE claim will cost you 15 points. If you don't want to lose the points, you can choose to skip the claiming. It's really up to you. Okay, that's all for today. I hope this breakdown helps you farm more points, grab more airdrops, and make more profits. And if you're ready to start, don't forget to register using my link below and get your 10% fee discount. Smash that like button, subscribe me if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video.